The purpose of this video is to explain how to apply our topical prescription medications such as 82M that you may have been prescribed.
Any of our topical medications are to be used twice a day, 30 drops in the morning and 30 drops in the evening, unless otherwise noted by your prescriber.
Each of our medications come in a 15 milliliter bottle, which should last exactly 1 week. A good tip is to write the start date on the bottle. This way, if you have product left over at the end of 1 week, you're likely not applying enough. If you use it up before the end of the week, you're probably using too much.
A few tips for applying the product. First, you can apply the product to towel-dried hair or dry hair, it doesn't matter.
When using the product, you can apply it 2 ways. You can unscrew the cap and use the tip as an applicator, or if you have long hair, you can use a comb to part your hair. You want to be random with the application, not over concentrating it in one area. Like a raindrop in a puddle, once you treat the area, it'll disperse. Another tip is you want to apply the product directly on your scalp. You don't want to get it onto your hair.
You want to wait 2 to 3 hours after applying the drops before taking a shower, going to the gym and sweating profusely, or going swimming. After you apply your drops, and again, you're not going to rub them in, wait 2 to 3 minutes for the product to penetrate your scalp, and then you can style as usual.
Again, remember these important tips. Apply your medication directly to the scalp, not the hair shaft. Don't rub it in with your fingers, and apply it randomly throughout the scalp, not concentrated in any area of concern. Wait 2 to 3 hours after applying before any activity, swimming or showering. And after applying the medication, you can style your hair.
If you're a patient and you have additional questions, please call the office. If you're not a patient and you'd like to find out if the topicals are right for you, click the link below or go to baumanmedical.com to schedule your consultation.